Hey guys, welcome back. Got a busy day today. Taking the day off from work to get a lot of chores done around here. And wearing this shirt brought up an interesting point. Stick around to the end of the video and we're going to discuss mainly the top word. So let's go to work. Buzz is still molting.
Yeah.
So he's looking a little thin.
His tail feathers are starting to come back in now.
Yeah, they're nice and green.
Look at them.
4.5 weeks old.
I'm gonna have to turn them around.
They're looking a lot better. All right, so we're right at 4.5 weeks, and they are getting 6 pounds of feed a day, 3 pounds twice a day. Yeah, do the math on that, but it's 6 pounds total for the 50 birds that we have. I did a little more detailed breakdown of that video. I'll leave the link right above. You gotta move.
And they stop and like eat.
Speaking of eating, what are you ladies doing over there? Trying to get the good stuff. And these chickens eat so much better than our other ones. I mean, they attack the food. Good Lord.
The next
You can't come over here.
We're gonna have to.
Just don't want to get too close because the birds get on it and they'll jump out.
I'm gonna scooch a little bit. I may just move them right here.
Yeah, that's good. It's the best grass.
Now you're eating around here. Like in my way.
Of course. And here comes more. They're curious. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? All right, so is that Rosie?
I think so.
I think, so on our Facebook page, we put a challenge to help name some of our new hens. And there's this one hen that she's just curious, comes up to us all the time and tries to investigate or quote unquote help. I think this is her right here. She's a sweet girl. And on Facebook, it looks like the name Rosie seems to be coming up. So I think we're gonna call her Rosie. Well, we're stopping off at LDP Farms General Store, picking up our feed. Gonna go see Donna, drop off some pasture-raised poultry, and pick up our meat bird feed. So having some fun here at LDP Farms General Store with our friend Donna. She's our feed supplier. They have Kalmbach and then they also have Nature Crest, but non-GMO feed's way to go, and that's what we feed our birds. And we like to support local. So we're here, Flat Guy Farm all the way out here in Lincoln County. About a 30-minute drive for us, but it's worth it. So buy local, support local, and we get the natural feed. So let's go get this feed home. All right, it's time to do the job nobody wants to do. Clean out the chicken brooders. So let's go. Well, we're finishing up today down here in the garden, and it's a bit of an overgrown mess. We've still got some tomato plants that are holding on, a few cucumbers, but really just came down to the garden. Even as messy as it is, it's starting to wither away. The garden season is coming to an end. We'll eventually move our chickens down here and let them just go to town. This will be their spot for the winter. But got to thinking, you know, my faith is pretty important to me. You know, I've got my faith, family, and farming shirt on. But here recently, I was thinking, what would you do if your boss told you that you could no longer pray at work? What if your boss told you that you could no longer play Christian music at work? Are you willing to risk it all for your faith? I know a lot of times I don't necessarily get deep into, you know, some of the personal struggles that we may be going through, or, you know, talk about some of the things that are hot topics within the culture of America. But just hit home this week and just curious, you know, a lot of times we say that, you know, we're going to put our faith first, and then when you're put into a situation where you have to choose, what's your choice? And hopefully, you know, when that time comes, that you're able to stand on your faith and know that if you put your faith in God, He's going to have the best interest for you, and that all things are going to happen for the good of those who are called according to His purpose. And just want to leave you with that thought today. If you were, I guess, questioned at your work about your faith, what would you say? If you were told that you couldn't do certain things that involved your faith, would you be willing to risk it all, even at the chance of being ridiculed, being doubted, being laughed at? I don't know, but you can't save faith, family, and farming if you don't put your faith first. And I'm not going to deny my faith in front of anybody, even if it cost me my job. So take that for what it's worth. And I appreciate you guys joining into our videos. We're going to get back on track and make a few more frequently than what we have been, and see what direction God's got for myself, my career, my family. And we'll keep you updated. So check back in the next time on the next video and see where we're heading. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.